So my greatest inspiration was just to bring the community together, because many a times you find that our local leaders are not doing much. So I said to myself, because they say the buck has got to stop with us. We cannot just keep on pointing the finger, someone is not doing something. But sasa nikasema nianze mwenyewe, and so that I can make sure that everyone in December has a thing to do, because we also hear these stories of the youths engaging in unwarranted activities or taking drugs and all that. So I said, what will keep them busy over the Christmas period? And that's why we started the Waziri Super Cup. And it was also the loss of my father, a man who loved football actually, Mr. Ali Abubakar Waziri, who passed on a couple of years ago. So I said we are doing this to honor his legacy and his memory. I think in its entirety, it is something to be welcomed by the locals and also the administrators. But then again, you're talking about companies, media companies like MediaMax. They have made sure that this year they are part of the event, because the Fourth Estate is the greatest member when it comes to disseminating the news. So they are making sure that, since it's a noble initiative, the whole country has got to hear about it, because it's just not about football. And so that's why we are saying we are grateful, the St. John's of this world, who are going to be our medical partners this year. So it is a welcome venture for those that we have shared the dream with, and now they are seeing it is not just about football, because everyone does a football tournament. For the MediaMax and the St. John's and the 1xBet, they have been asking us, what is different about yours?
Na mi this year ningependa, kumebakia watu kadhaa sana wako na zile bodaboda za zamani, zile Black Mamba. So tutakuwa na race, ndeka pale pesa kidogo, na ndio the whole town iweze kufurahia. Last year tuliona maajabu kweli, tulikuwa na watu zaidi ya 5,000 ambao walikuja pale, na kwenye basketball tulikuwa na watu zaidi ya 1,000. Kwa hivyo tunataka kufanya festival ambayo the whole county ama the whole town can celebrate.